Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Anti-Corruption Day. The 2022 International Anti-Corruption Day or IACD seeks to highlight the crucial link between anti-corruption and peace, security and development. On 31st October 2003, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the United Nations Convention Against Corruption. The General Assembly also designated 9th December as International Anti-Corruption Day. Its aim is to raise awareness of corruption and of the role of the Convention in combating and preventing it. At its core is the notion that tackling this crime is the right and responsibility of everyone. We can overcome the negative impact of this crime through cooperation and the involvement of each and every person and institution. Now, information about United Nations General Assembly. The United Nations General Assembly or UNGA is the main policy-making organ of the organization. It provides a unique forum for multilateral discussion of the full spectrum of international issues. Each of the 193 member states of the United Nations has an equal vote. The UNGA also makes key decisions for the UN, including approving the UN budget, electing the non-permanent members of the Security Council, etc.